Hey, this is Matt with Coastal Compass, and today we're going to be giving you a room tour at Sandals Ochi of the one-bedroom poolside Butler Villa Suite. The room code is NV1, and this is going to be on the hillside side of the resort in the Butler Village. If you like what you're seeing and you want to book and you want help, go to cctravelcompany.com and click Contact Us. We're happy to help you curate the perfect vacation experience. And if you want to book yourself, that's totally cool. We have an affiliate link, and if you found this helpful, I do ask that you please use that. That really helps me continue to do this for all of you out there. All right, let's get to it and see this room. All right, well, that's it for the room. If you found this helpful and want to book, please use our affiliate link in the show notes. That really helps me out. And if you want some help, click Contact Us. That's also in the show notes. I'll reach out and walk you through absolutely everything that you need to know. And if you've already booked, last thing, you might qualify for our free concierge service. That link is also in the show notes if you want to check it out. Subscribe. We're going to be bringing you more Sandals content on the regular.